With a length of only 599 centimeters, a width of 214 centimeters, and a height of 272 centimeters, this camper is the ideal companion for all occasions, whether it's a city trip or camping by the sea. The seating area offers space for 4 people, as the driver's cab seats can be integrated into the seating area. Directly behind the seating area is the bathroom. It offers a swivel toilet, a sink, and storage space. Folding the pivoting wall creates a shower. Opposite is the kitchen block with a gas stove and a sink. Below is the 80-liter refrigerator. The freshwater tank has a volume of 110 liters, and the wastewater tank holds 90 liters. In the rear is a transverse bed with dimensions of 195 by 135 centimeters.